Cheryl's mystery box arrived in the mail today. It's a package from Mighty Car Mods and the Unicorn Circuit. They typically retail for $129, but if you do pay attention to the Unicorn Circuit especially, you can get discounts on them. So we got ours today, and we're going to be taking a quick look and see what we got. See here, it's Cheryl's box, and this is the bigger one. It does come with a t-shirt as well as a hat for it's specific to Cheryl's box. So I have seen that online, but a lot of it we don't know what we're going to be getting. They typically have things like stickers and things like that. Alright, so here is our shirt. They do ask you your sizing, and they got mine right. This is a subtle shirt. It's blacked out Mighty Car Mods, so pretty happy with that. We got Cheryl's Speed Garage. It's a trucker style hat, pretty cool, and this is something you only get through this service. They did give us the candy, which you will typically see if you find any more of these videos. We got a koozie, so that's pretty cool. And then we got a sample pack of solvent for cleaning yourself, which is nice. Oh, this is cool. We got the playing cards. That'll be fun. Looks like we got something else here as well. Oh, this is very cool. This is like a tin mug for coffee. That's pretty cool. We got the typical Mighty Car Mod zip ties. You see these in a lot. I'll probably change out a lot of the zip ties on the racing rig for these. We got a few of the cherry scented air fresheners from the Unicorn Circuit. We got some mechanics gloves. Those would be nice. Good Lord, there's a lot in here. We got a patch. We got a lanyard. It's in blue with the Mighty Car Mods logo, as well as a smaller chopped like pull-out tag, kind of like you see here in the red. We got some like duct tape with the logo. We got a few stickers here. You got the chopped fingers. This is the Japanese chopped translated sticker. We got the Mighty Car Mods sticker. You can't really see it too well. MightyCarMods.com. I'm not sure what this might be. A flag. This is looking pretty cool too. See if we can get this opened up. Oh yeah, we got a flag. Very cool. It's with the chopped logo as well. I'll have to get this on the wall. We also got some ear protection. Get a thank you note from Cheryl herself. And a recipe for, looks like a coconut slice. So I'll have to try to cook that up and see if that's any good. But anyway, this is very cool. I'm very happy with our haul here. And please like and subscribe, and we'll have more content in the future for more Gran Turismo content typically. But this is just a nice little change of pace.